Kuchisake Onna, the slit-mouthed woman, is one of Japan's urban legends, believed to have spread in the 1970s. The legend centers on the ghost of a woman whose mouth is slit from ear to ear, hidden beneath a mask. At night, she approaches pedestrians and asks, "Am I pretty?" If the answer is no, she attacks the person. If the answer is yes, she removes her mask to reveal her slit mouth and asks again, "Even like this?" No matter the response, the story typically ends in a horrific fate for the individual. The tale of Kuchisake Onna has captured attention not only in Japan, but also internationally, due to its grotesque imagery and psychological horror. Similar urban legends exist in many countries, possibly appealing to people because of the commonalities and differences across cultures. Moreover, this legend has influenced many horror films and novels, becoming an especially memorable character within the international horror genre. Kuchisake Onna is known for delving into mental terror, her bizarre and absurd nature stirring people's imagination.